Sometimes a t-shirt bra can develop a crease in its cups. How can you remove a crease and prevent it from happening in the future? Here are some suggestions. Today's t-shirt bras are made with improved foam technology that is less likely to crease. But should a crease occur, here's how to get rid of it. First, hand wash your t-shirt bra. Then let it dry with the cups pointed downward. You can do this using 2 bowls. This lets the cups reshape as they air dry and many times removes the crease in the process. Alternatively, you can try removing a crease with a steamer. Steam from the inside of the cup outward, then fasten the bra and hang it on a hanger from its straps to dry. There are several precautions to prevent your t-shirt bras from ever creasing in the first place. Never fold the cups of a t-shirt bra into each other. This can break down the bra cup and cause strange wrinkling and creasing. Instead, store or pack your t-shirt bras flat, with socks or pantyhose in the cups to support their shape. If you have several, you can nest them inside each other. Never put your t-shirt bras in a dryer. Not only does the heat break down elastic, but it can also shrink the outside cup fabric, which in turn can cause wrinkles and creases. Taking a little more care when storing and washing your t-shirt bras will go a long way in extending their lifetime.